Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to install Wise app on your phone. The process is really easy. Let's get straight to the point. So first of all, open Play Store if you are on Android device and open App Store if you are on iOS device. I'll open Play Store on my phone. So this is the homepage of Play Store. On the homepage, you'll have to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Then on the search bar, type Wise and press search. So this is the app we're looking for, the one at the top. Now all you have to do is tap on the install option and wait for the app to get installed. So using the Wise app, you can send, spend, convert as well as receive money internationally. The app can be used not only for international transfers but also for local transfers. Sending as well as receiving money has never been this easy before. As you can see on the screen, the app has been installed. Now all you have to do is tap on the open option and you'll be directed to the app. Then you can create an account and start using it. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.